Are you looking for a way to extract text from a scanned PDF document? I'll show you how to do this in a few clicks. Using the convenient Google Chrome extension. To do this, we need to install the PDF Tool text extension in the browser. A link to it will be in the first comment. Open Google Chrome and enter Web Store in the address bar. Go to the first link. In the search field at the top, enter PDF Tool text. Click Enter. Select the first option from the list of preview slabs. Then click the Add to Chrome button and confirm the installation. Do not forget to attach the extension icon to the tool panel. PDF Tool text extension installed. Now let's try to extract text from a scanned document. I've created an uncopyable document. Click Scan. Great. Let's open the extension in the upper right corner. To do this, we need to go to another page, since it does not open in PDF. I turn on the next tab, click Open. I will delete the previous file and load a new one. I click Extract Text. The extension will automatically detect the scanned document and will offer you to use the text recognition technology. Here you need to enter your email, after which we will receive a notification after the end of the process. A new file with the status of In Progress has been created. Wait a moment. Process complete. We see that the status has changed to Available. I click on the title and see my text. I also received a notification that the text has been successfully extracted. You can click on the link in the letter and also see this text in a separate window. Here you can edit, copy and download it in a text format for convenient work. Now you know how to extract text from a scanned PDF document using the PDF2 text extension. Like this video and leave your comments if you have any questions. All useful links can be found in the first pinned comment.